Salut tout le monde. Hello everyone. This is Tissa. Welcome to my channel, Haiti Unlimited. Bienvenue sur channel moyen, Haiti Unlimited. Channel ça moi créé li pour diaspora qui pas tellement vle entrer dans politique mais yo ta aimé participer. This channel is created for the Haitian diaspora who's not really into politics, who doesn't want to get involved with politics, but want to get into the conversation of changing Haiti. Channel ça c'est pour Haitian diaspora qui vle faire changement à Haïti mais qui pas vle entrer dans politique. Ou pas obligé d'entrer dans politique pour qu'à changer Haïti. You don't have to get into politics to change Haiti. The reason why, because you're gifted with something. Ou gon don que bon Dieu ba ou que c'est pour sou ka parler, si ou ka écrit, sou ka prend téléphone ou relé ou compte qui gens pour communiquer avec un monde, ou ka écrit lettre, tout don que ou gagne. I guarantee you the gift that you have, you can make that useful to help Haiti. You don't have to get into politics. And the question was, is Haiti really poor? Ça c'était dernière question moi t'ai demandé nous, est-ce que Haïti réellement pauvre? That's a question that you have to ask yourself. Is Haiti really poor? When you think about it, there's a lot of people, some of you who don't travel, gen pile nan nou ki pa voyager. But let me say this, I go to Haiti on a regular basis. I spend 2-3 weeks in Haiti. And I'm going to tell you, the people that come to Haiti, they're other cultures. Ça veut dire que l'autre culture a vin joui pays ou là. It means like other culture are coming to your country and they're enjoying it. Nothing happens to them. But you, ou même qui haïtien, ou capable même retourner, moi pas dou ça pour me faire peur. Mais c'est ça que yo vle pour gagner en tête. You fais une programmation. Là où I parlé de Haiti, when they talking about Haiti, they program your mind for you to be afraid not to go to Haiti. Again, the question is Haiti really poor? Haiti's not poor. If you look at it, it's like a movie. They putting up a movie. C'est comme son film y a monté. They hire all these professional reporters and photographers. Y aller en Haïti, yo prend photo, et puis yo pote le bail ici. Et puis kounya même wap tande journaliste qui dit que mon Haïti grand goût souhait que c'est trier à trier ça bien qu'à joindre manger, ça c'est manque de respect. They say that Haitian people are poor, starving in Haiti, and that they have to go dig to the ground to look for food. Yes, there is poverty, but poverty is a choice that the government, the politician, the corruption that's going on in Haiti, is the choice they made. Because they want to still be able to enslave us. Ça son choix que gouvernement qui corrompu un haïtien, yo vle puis ka toujours gen on chaîne dans pied avec cou avec main. Mais ou même your brain is in chain, qui veut dire cerveau toujours enchaîné. C'est pour nous lever camper. Changer moi dit que ou pas obligé entrer dans politique pour changer pays. Remember, I said you don't have to get into politics to change Haiti, your country, but you have special gift that can help Haiti. If you know how to write a letter, you know how to pick up a phone and talk, you know how to connect with other people, network. You have to watch out for the people who are hurting Haiti. You have to ask yourself, the people who say they can't stand Haiti, find out their background, find out who they are. And also find out the people who thinks that nothing's wrong with Haiti. Those are the people who's hurting Haiti. Find out the people that are silent. Gade bien moun ki silencieux. Gade moun suiv moun ki di ke yo pa vle wè Haiti. Gade kote yo soti. Gade moun ki di ke yo pa wè anyen, pa ganyen mal avec Haiti. Ça c'est moun sa yo kap krasé pays ou. So lè mwen di ke lè m'a pe déposer question. Est-ce que Haïti réellement pauvre? S'il était réellement pauvre, pour que ça tout le monde vont ti morceau la donne. If it was that poor, why does everybody want a piece of it? You have American people claiming islands. How can you claim something that's not yours? That's on the soil of Haiti. That's on the land of Haiti. How? You have to ask yourself those questions. There's so many businesses in Haiti. And the businesses in Haiti, a lot of them, they're not Haitian people. They're Italians, they're Chinese people, they're Indian people, they're Pakistanian, moun ki soti en Pakistan ki gen business en Haiti, Chinois gen business en Haiti, Indien gen business en Haiti, Italien gen business en Haiti, alors que ou même Haïtien pour ça pas gen, parce que yo vle retire ou la donne. Pas seulement que l'on pas trop quitter pays yo esclave, yo longe droit sous nous parce que c'est nous même Haïtiens plus pas vle ouais. Alors que grand pile moun k'ap quitter sou gen cran pour passer border ça, pour venir dans border ça, ou te ka mourir, bête te ka manger, mon rive. Mais ça veut dire ou gen cran. Mais nous pas gen cran pour nous goumen pour payer, nous parce que nous pensons que l'en sorti dehors, li pi bon que la caille. Ou pas jamais à l'aise. Ou pas qu'on sorti. You know, sometimes when you go to somebody's house and then they give you a room, a bed to sleep in, but you're never comfortable until you're really on your own bed. C'est même genre tout. Think about it. The people that left the border to come here, yes, they say they're looking for a better life. But is it a better life? They're going to learn. Oh, yeah, you heard that. You're going to learn today. Oui, yo pas l'apprendre aujourd'hui. Si yo pas de compte travail, yo te kon habitué avec voye, maptan, voye pour moi, nan fait transfert. That's not going to happen here. See, right now, they're giving them all opportunities parce que yo pas besoin moun pour voter. Yo pas ka faire moun mourir voter encore. Now, they can't have dead people voting. Now those illegal immigrants who come in here, that's going to be the future votes. In some states, they already legalized them to vote, which is not fair. Parce que pour que ça pas fair? Gen moun qui vivent aux États-Unis qui travaillent sur TPS ou bien qui pas quand même jeune visa yo pas ka voter. Mais moun qui fait passer border yo pas quitter yo voter. And what I'm saying is like the people who just cross the border are able to vote. There's people with TPS and people who are waiting for their visa for years. Some of them were denied. They're still waiting and they're not able to vote and they're here working, paying taxes like everybody else. But other people who just came illegal, they just made them able to vote. Alors que là, on dit que Haiti pauvre, ou même qui vend terrain là, you sold your land because you think Haiti's not going to change. But I got bad news for you if you sold your land. I got bad news for you if you don't plan on going back. The bad news is Haiti will change. The bad news for you, you sold your land. But the good news for me, for people who believe Haiti's going to change. So you should have held on to your land. Ou te do kembe, ti pati terrain te genyen. Mais ou parti ou vendre toute bagaille pour qu'elle chercher un la vie qui pi meilleur. Peut-être des années 15, 20 ans, 30 ans de slam de ka di ou ta vendre la vie meilleure. Mais la vie meilleure pas là aujourd'hui aux États-Unis, pas ça encore. Ou pas vle goumen pour payer ou et pour pas regarder moun k'ap vinn nan pays ou k'ap joui pays ou. I'm telling you, my Haitian diaspora, your blood will always be 509. It doesn't matter if you became American citizen or whatever citizen in whatever state or country whatever country that you're in, you will always be Haitian. Home will always be home. And I'm telling you, it's something magical is about to happen in Haiti. Like right now, what's happening now is going to continue to happen until we stand up. C'est qu'à passer kounyen a toujours fait pour jusqu'à ce qu'on leve campé. Are you ready?